Picture this: same office, same paycheck, 2 people. 5 years later, one has tens of thousands of dollars set aside. The other has nothing. You'd think earning more money would mean you're getting ahead. But for a lot of people on a normal salary, that's not what happens. You're not broke. You get paid every month. Your salary's gone up over the last few years. So why does it feel like nothing is actually building? Like your money just passes through your life? You get paid. Maybe it hits your account on a Thursday or a Friday, and for a moment it feels like progress, at least on the surface. Like, this is what I've been working for. And it's not like you're wasting money either. But then the rent comes out. Bills, groceries, subscriptions you barely think about anymore. Maybe a few things that just make life a bit easier. And by the time the next paycheck rolls around, it's not that you're broke. It's just back where you started. And then it happens again. Next month, same pattern. And the month after that, it's almost identical. You're earning more than you used to, but it doesn't really feel any different. You're not going backwards, but you're not really moving forward either. And the strange part is, you genuinely thought this would change. You've probably even had moments where you stopped and thought, I should be further ahead than this. At some point, you told yourself, once I earn a bit more, things will start to feel different. Less pressure, more space. Maybe even a sense that you're actually getting ahead. And to be fair, you did start earning more. Promotions, raises, small jumps over time. But that feeling, it never really showed up. Instead, something else started happening. Your income increased, but something quietly shifted around it. It's hard to point to exactly what. Nothing feels like a big decision. But somehow it all adds up. Not in a dramatic way, not in a reckless way. Just gradually. A slightly nicer place. More convenience. Less tolerance for things that used to feel fine. And none of it feels excessive. It just feels normal now. So the money keeps coming in, but it also keeps finding somewhere to go. And this is where it becomes hard to notice, because it doesn't feel like you're standing still. Things are improving. You earn more than you used to. You can afford more than you used to. Life is slightly better than it was a few years ago. So it feels like progress. But when you step back, there's nothing solid underneath it. No real build, no accumulation, just a higher version of the same cycle. And this is where it starts to affect how you feel. Because from the outside, it looks like you're doing well. You're earning decent money. You're stable. You're not struggling. But internally, it doesn't feel like progress. Because technically, nothing is wrong. But it still doesn't feel right. It feels like maintenance, like you're putting in effort, but nothing is actually stacking up. And over time, that starts to mess with you. Because you can't point to a clear problem, but you also can't point to real progress. And after a while, you stop expecting it to change. You just assume this is how it works. You earn, you spend, you maintain. And anything beyond that feels just out of reach. And that's the part most regular earners miss. There's a difference between money that comes into your life and money that actually stays. Because right now, most of what you earn doesn't stick around long enough to become anything. It passes through, covers things, maintains things, but it doesn't build. It's almost like your money is drifting, adjusting without you really noticing. And the shift isn't as complicated as people think. It starts with one simple change. Money has to stay before it gets used, not after. Because if you wait until the end of the month, there's usually nothing left to build with. So instead of asking, what's left over? You flip it to, what stays first? And the easiest way to make that real is to stop relying on willpower altogether. Because this isn't about being more disciplined, it's about making it automatic. That might look like something as simple as a small amount moving out of your account the same day you get paid. Before you see it, before you spend it. Not because that amount changes your life overnight, but because the habit of making money stay is what eventually does. So part of what you earn never gets the chance to disappear in the first place. Because the real shift is this. It's not that you need to earn more. It's that more of what you earn needs to stay. That's what actually creates progress. That's what turns income into something that builds. And until something starts staying, it doesn't really matter how much more you earn. Because it will keep feeling like this. Like you're moving, but not actually going anywhere. And once you start to see that pattern, you start to realize it was never about how much was coming in. It was about what was being kept. Figuring out how to make money stay in your life does not have to be overly complicated. It only takes small, regular actions. This video here shows you the secrets regular people use every day to create wealth.